Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for November 24th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. The market cap has come up 4 billion. Yesterday it was at 136 billion. Today it's at 140 billion. If we look at the volumes are a little bit lower than usual at 13 billion, and BTC dominance still at 53.8%, nearly 54%. Now, if we look at Bitcoin is at 43.57, and if we look just now at Bitstamp, the one-day chart, we can see that it's 42.76, 42.82. So it's somewhere around the 42 levels, and so this number is a little bit inflated because it's the aggregate of so many exchanges where Bitcoin is trading right now. But I think Bitstamp is a good way to look at it, doing now at the 42.76 level, 42.77 level, basically looking at the mean. All right, now let's continue and look at the top 10. We can see everything in the green. Ripple at 40 cents, Ethereum at $124, Bitcoin Cash at 207, and Monero is up 4% at 66.69. So let's look at what are the coins which have done very well in the last 24 hours. We can see Raven 19% up, Bitcoin Diamond 17% up, Nexo 12% up, MOAC 12%, and Bitcoin Gold 8%. The coins which have done less in the last 24 hours are ODEM 14% down, Metaverse ETP 9% down, Mona Coin 6% down, and Augur 5% down. So let's continue basically what the news is. The news comes from Google Trends basically. So Google Trends says that there is a Bitcoin interest hits 6 months high. So this is a graph where we can see for the last 90 days, Bitcoin is in blue, that it's going up compared to the word blockchain. So if we continue basically looking at that, there is a spike basically in the search term Bitcoin on Google. If we look at it. Now let's continue with this. I have still again here the 90 days chart, in blue Bitcoin, in red blockchain, and if we just look at the 12 months, for example, we can see that Bitcoin has come down all the way as we entered basically the bearish market, and here for the first time again we can see a rise. Now if I add a word AI, artificial intelligence, so that will be the yellow line, you can see basically in the last year artificial intelligence, there was no hype. It was quite steady actually in the last 12 months, but if we look again in the last 90 days, we can see basically Bitcoin, which came under basically artificial intelligence as a search word, has now for the first time really broken the trend and come above it. Now if you look again at the 30-day charts, the last month's chart basically, again you can see there is a clear break that the search term Bitcoin has been more searched than AI, artificial intelligence. All right, so let's continue with the news. So IOTA plans to killing off its centralized coordinator. So IOTA, as you guys know, is a DAG, a directed acyclic graph, something similar like a blockchain, but not the same. That is the most important thing to know. The thing is that it is right now centralized, and with most technologies, when you start off, you are centralized, then you go into a hybrid version where you're semi-decentralized and then fully decentralized. So IOTA is now working on getting rid of its coordinator and getting into something which is going to be a hybrid version before they go fully decentralized. Let's see how this is going to rock. I think this is really good news. Then the next news comes from California-based bank Silvergate. They file for an IPO to boost cryptocurrency services. Now, it's really fantastic, basically, because a lot of crypto companies are having problems opening up bank accounts. Silvergate Bank, based out of La Jolla, California, is preparing to do a public offering with a target of 50 million, according to the documents filed with the securities regulator. It would be listed on the NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange, and yeah, the ticker would be SI according to them. And let's see how this traditional bank would revolutionize or open up to the crypto finance world. Let's see, this is really good news again. I think a couple of months back I talked about WEX AG, which is a German bank where you could basically, which was taken over by the Litecoin Foundation, is one of the partners out of there, to get in Europe more bank accounts open for cryptocurrency companies. All right. So next is, well, this is it basically. So this was the news for today. I hope you like it. Please go to our website, bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.